Let's check out this very simple storage shelf over here. Also, I'll show you how to assemble it and everything you need to know about it. So I think probably the best thing about this thing is the price of it. So personally, I paid like $3 only for it, or like €3. And also when it comes to size, so you see it's actually fairly decent. So personally, I'm 1.88 meters, that's maybe like 6'1". So you see you can actually put on quite a lot of small things on it. When it comes to stability, obviously, yeah, so you see it's not the greatest, but if you basically maybe can wedge it somewhere in between. Or also, what's cool about this, you can also kind of split it apart and have essentially two of these shelves. So let's do that. Okay, so you see you can really just have also two of them, and then I guess they're more stable. So first they arrive in a very simple, fairly small box like this. So you see it's all taken apart. So first you get these. When it comes to quality, as you see, obviously these are very lightweight. So you get a bunch of these. Also the handle for the top. And also we are even getting 4 wheels here as well, so you can mount on the bottom. And this is, for example, what the tray looks like. So when it comes to weight, it doesn't really weigh anything at all. So definitely they're kind of built obviously for the price. But once you actually put it together, I would say it's actually fairly okay, I guess. If you just need to use it for storing something very lightweight. Okay, and let's put these together. So first take basically one of it, and also 4 of these. So I have got mine a bit dirty. So you see we simply insert it in these holes here, just like this. So let's see how fast it actually takes for me to build these up. And then you take simply the next layer and put it on. Okay, so see we simply snap it inside. And then we simply continue with the next layer. Okay, and then we put on the next one. So you see just how fast this thing is. And once actually popped in place, it's fairly like okay, I guess, when it comes to it won't come out on its own. And then we simply continue building this thing. Let's see how long it actually takes for me to build it. So one layer over another. Okay, next ones. Okay, and then the final one. And then finally also we can push on these handles. I guess they're simply for the show. I do not think they actually help in any way. Okay. Make sure it's properly tight. And also on the bottom you can install these wheels here. So you see, when it comes to the build quality, definitely everything is fairly cheap. But again, we really have to consider how much this whole thing costs. So the wheels actually work. So yeah, actually they work better than I expected. Yeah, wheels are actually decent, so can't complain there. But personally I'll be using them like this, so basically split in half, so where I can simply pop on some very lightweight tools and stuff like that, just to basically have a bit of organization. Okay, good luck.